Alright, this is Jonathan Wallace here to do lab number 2, Oxidation Reduction Activity Series for chemistry. And what we got here, I've got all my materials, got my safety goggles, my tweezers, my scissors, so that I'm going to be able to open up the chemicals. I've got my metals, got magnesium, zinc, lead, and iron. I've also got sodium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, zinc nitrate, iron 3 chloride, and copper 2 sulfate. What we're going to be doing is dropping 10 drops of each of these chemicals in A1, 2, 3, 4, and A5 in the weld plate. And then we're going to come back and then put my magnesium, zinc, lead, and iron in them individually, and we're going to observe the oxidation reduction reactions of the chemicals with the metals, and then we'll record them on a piece of paper. So we'll go ahead and get started. First I have my sodium sulfate, and like I said, we're going to do 10 drops. I want to move these down just a little bit so I have a little bit of room. In A1, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have magnesium sulfate. In A2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have zinc nitrate. In A3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we have iron chloride, iron 3 chloride in A4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last, copper 2 sulfate in A5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there's my chemicals. Make sure they all got good on the bottom. I'm going to take my tweezers and try and get magnesium out without touching it. Use the plastic to my advantage. I'm actually going to rub it up against the scissors here to kind of scratch the surface so I can get a more pure reaction on the bottom of it. Okay. And we're going to put it in the first hole without getting the tweezers messy. I don't see any immediate reactions, so we're going to move on, and I want to kind of keep observing that. Here we have zinc, and do likewise manner, just try and get it, and we're going to put it in the magnesium sulfate. So again, I don't see anything happening immediately, and our magnesium strip still hasn't changed. So I'm going to move on to lead. Actually, I'm going to pull 2 pieces of lead out for A3 and A4. And these as well, I'm going to scrape the tops to get a more pure reaction. Alright. The first piece of lead is going in to zinc nitrate in A3. My second piece will go into my iron chloride. And there we go. And the last one is iron, and it's just a nail. But I've already seen a little bit of reaction, so I'm going to take a minute and observe and record my answers before I put my iron into my copper sulfate.